made. Hey, you made a permanent home in my head. You moving like a goddess, come my way, my way, my way. Your hips on the move, only a real one can do what you do.
Hello to all my beautiful sweeties out there. I hope you're doing amazing as always. And today we are doing BGM Girl hair, or Black Girl Magic hair. And I just want to thank them really quickly for sponsoring this video. We truly appreciate you. So this is the box. Super adorable. And inside you get the hair. This is a bob, so it's 14 inches, 150 density, deep wave Mongolian hair, okay? And also inside of the box you get a pair of fancy lashes, another great pair. They're doing better with these lashes, y'all. These are really good. We get a stocking cap, there's 2 in there, and a cute little card, okay? So let's get into the hair, how it's looking. So this is the hair out of the package. This is a closure wig. So you're getting 4 inches across and 4 inches deep in that section. You're getting 3 combs in the top, 1 in the back, the adjustable straps, and a little bit of lace in the back if you would like to also glue it down back there. Let's quickly get into these knots. Okay. So these knots are good. They're very, very small, like micro knots. That's what I like single tied knots. Those are the best to bleach. Super duper quick. Big knots are a problem. Like even after you bleach them, you can still kind of see them. So we're off to a good start. This is in a natural black. This hair is so soft, okay? This is in a natural black. I think I want to dye it black though, because that is my thing. And you know, when you have raw hair, you will have some lighter strands within the hair. So I just like to have it uniformed and looking all together. I'm also going to bleach the knots off camera. And when all that stuff is done, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. The knots have been bleached. The hair has been dyed. I put just a little bit of 355 coconut on my lace with a brush, and now we are ready to install this bad boy. So I'm just gonna take my Got To Be gel and start putting it on where I want the wig to be. I'm going to take just a little bit of the spray and spray on top. Hey babes, so I was editing this and realized I never mentioned how beginner friendly this wig is. I did not even tweeze the front of this wig, which was really nice. It was a really, really nice density. Obviously you do not have to dye the wig like I did. You can easily wear it in the natural state that it comes in. You don't have to bleach the knots if you're not comfortable with that yet. You can totally get away with foundation and a little powder in your part with this wig. I just really did enjoy this, and these are great for beginners too because there's not a lot of lace to lay and they usually melt down so seamlessly. So yeah, I just really had to mention that. these are my final thoughts on the hair. Really soft, no shedding. It took the hair dye really, really well. But the star of the show was definitely the knots. They were so little and they bleached so quickly. I was very, very excited about that. But yes, no shedding. It feels really good. It's not too small. I would definitely say it is big head friendly. And yes, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and hit the bell. And until next time, stay sweet.
Ultimate feeling, you got me lifted, feeling so gifted. Sugar, how you get so fly?